Eat delicious and lose weight with Chef Pachi.
Cannellini beans from scratch. Only 3 ingredients plus the beans and water. They are delicious. Who'd think they come out so tasty with such few ingredients? These are very fresh and delicious ingredients, even though they might have been frozen. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cover our cannellini beans with water and set them aside for 6 hours or overnight. Then we're gonna bring our beans into the pots, move them around and see if they need a little extra water. I add about a cup extra water because they plump up and absorb a lot of the first water. Then I add my oregano leaves and the garlic that I have frozen and 1 onion cut into 4 parts. I close the pot, cook it at 20 minutes on the pressure cooker on medium, or if you don't have medium and low, just pressure cook them for 20 minutes and take a look at them. They are perfect. Check it out. We do not add salt before or pepper because this way they come out perfectly cooked. Then we add salt if we want to, but we should taste them first. They are delicious. So, if you're vegan, instead of adding some yogurt or cream, you can add some coconut or you can add some soy yogurt. Also, you can drizzle a tiny bit of olive oil at the end, then salt and pepper if you want, or pepper alone. They are delicious like this. And that yogurt, that natural yogurt gives it a tartness that is amazing. Eat this, lose weight, or if you're vegan, get well nourished with delicious food. With Chef Pachi, food can be delicious and you can be healthy and lose weight at the same time. Check out the full recipe on YouTube. Subscribe and turn on the bell for recipe updates.